Good, speed 113, Juliana Tower, good morning. Clear direct Sang 1, cross the beam Juliana, flight level 110 above. Altimeter is 3004. Number 634, Boy 20 right downwind runway 10, altimeter 3004, information Fox Doctor. Sunfly 805, turn left and proceed to join final at 20 miles, you're following Boeing 737, currently 22 miles west of Juliana. Will be exceeding the RNAV approach runway 10. Stand by to proceed direct of action.
Okay, maintain 60, turn left to join the 20 mile final, sunflight 05.
Correct. Kilo Yankee Echo 4521, nice landing, on time 1-1. Backtrack, vacate Charlie, parking at Bravo 1.
Okay, backtrack is approved. Then vacate via Bravo and parking Bravo 1. Kilo Yankee Echo 4521.
Kilo Yankee Echo 4521, vacate via taxiway Charlie to park Bravo 1.
Vacate via Charlie and parking Bravo 1. Kilo Yankee Echo 4521.
Correct. And confirm that sun flight. Confirm SOAR calling Juliana.
Confirm 20522, could you just confirm you have our flight time from here to Bird?
So 522 from we have your flight plan from here to Bird.
Thank you.
Good, speed 123, good morning. Contact Juliana approach 128.95. And good speed 113, contact Sang 1 center 118.15. Good day.
Over the center, just go 130.
Good speed 113, contact Sang 1 center 118.15. Copper 134, cleared RNAV approach runway 10, report crossing Lesso.
Roman 950 from Papa Juliana Tower. Yes sir, we're passing level 50 for 2,600 and cleared the approach and we'll speed 170 out of Oxford for 95 November Papa. From a 95 November Papa, altimeter 2999, board 4 mile final. 2999, 4 mile final. Yeah, United 1707, contact Juliana approach 128.95. 28.5, United Papa Delta, join right gate 210.
Join runway 10, Papa Delta.
60 minutes edge on control 1 zone, correct. Girls edge Juliana, 15 miles.
2,600 and cleared the approach, and we'll speed 170 out of Oxford for 95 November Papa. From a 95 November Papa, altimeter 2999, board 4 mile final. 2999, 4 mile final. Yeah, United 1707, contact Juliana approach 128.95. 28.5, United Papa Delta, join right gate 210.
Join runway 10, Papa Delta.
60 minutes edge on control 1 zone, correct. Girls edge Juliana, 15 miles.
5 miles outside, you see 81.
You're right. Speed 10. Climbing out of Juliana, climbing to 110 westbound.
Us where the charter ramp is located. Roger, we'll go when we land, we'll figure that out. Is that at the far end of the runway? Negative. Okay. Yeah, we have a passenger with a tight connection over to the bus. Roger. You're going to be parking on a charge ramp. Will we be making a reversal on the runway? If I'm going to vacate that, I'll be echo and you're parking on the charge ramp. Okay, we'll vacate echo whether we make that turn or we'll have to make a 180 and Charlie Red for 95 November Papa.
Speed 260, copy the trap.
That's over to 3126. Juliana, good afternoon, Princess 812 at Echo.
Princess 84 Delta Echo, John approach with our contact, turn right heading 160, vectors climb.
Right 160, vectors climb.
Correct. Princess 84 Delta Echo, John approach with our contact.
Yes, sir. Good evening, Juliana International Airport. 2 Anguilla, C-GWSR, VFR, image descent, Cessna 402.
KPS 77, John approach, radar contact. Continue on navigation to expected ramp 10 miles west of runway 11 and to Mount Anguilla, altimeter 29999.
WestJet Boeing 8009 on.
Still at the Alger Whiskey Delta.
So 108.15. Climb to maintain flight level 150.
15,000 out of the 1707.
Speed 106, continue minute outside Juliana 13 miles or greater, stand up for turn direct to St. Bart's.
Alright, we'll stay 13 miles out and direct St. Bart's to see 106. 702 Quebec Sierra.
702 Quebec Sierra, Juliana.
Yes, sir. What altitude did you need us to descend to?
5,000. The altimeter setting is 29999.
29999 down to 5,702 Quebec Sierra. Wind 090 degrees, 09 and up.
Okay, 09 at 9.